It was a egress window for a customer that was looking to expand his living space and be able to put a bedroom downstairs.
We showed up. Our very first thing that we did was introduce ourselves to the customer and do a walkthrough through the house. The customer said that he had a friend that was kind of in a little bit of a situation, needed a place to stay, and he wanted to make sure that everything was going to be kosher for him.
We start prepping for the job, start putting plastic up and getting the excavator down, and then we start digging and mark the wall, cut the wall. I think it went really well. Obviously they need, that livable space for a reason, so for me to be able to be the one that helps create that for them, it's a really fulfilling feeling.
I mean, you go out, and every job that you're in, you're helping somebody. You're making somebody else's life better by you showing up and doing the best work that you can possibly do for them. There's really not a different job that I can think of outside of, a firefighter, EMS, something like that, where every single day you're helping somebody.